Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how can you fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, when you have create new Apple ID on your iPhone or on your iPad, and when you have entered your phone number and facing this type of issue that could not create account, I'll help you how to create your Apple ID without any interruption. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to scroll it down, click on general. From here you have to click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after doing this you have to go back. After this you have to click on language and region and select your region according to your country. So guys, if you have select any wrong region, then therefore you will see this type of error. So guys, simply you have to change your region according to your country, and after this you have to create your Apple ID again, and guys, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, you have to open your app store on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, after opening your app store you have to click on your main profile, and guys, from here you have to sign out your Apple ID and create new Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, simply you have to sign out your old Apple ID, and guys, from here you can create new Apple ID. So guys, when you have click on sign in, then guys you will see the option of sign up or create new Apple ID. And after this, if still not fix your problem and still having that issue again and again, you have to open your settings again, scroll it below. From here you will see the option of mail, click on it and click on accounts and click on add account, click on iCloud. From here you will see the option of create a new Apple ID, click on it, and guys, from here you have to create new Apple ID, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.